My analysis of the 2017 Mr. Clean Super Bowl advertisement. We are going to talk about whether it is excellent journalism. What is excellent journalism? Excellent journalism, as defined by the textbook, is context plus complexity plus voices plus authenticity plus proportionality. What is context? Context, as defined by the textbook, is the time, place, history, social setting, environment, and culture necessary to give meaning to the story. The Mr. Clean ad does show some context. You can tell that it is taking place in a modern home with an average couple. Complexity. Complexity is providing assessment of facts through a 360-degree look at the issue or story. Complexity fosters objectivity. The Mr. Clean ad did not avoid stereotypes or simplistic thinking. It did not attempt to be objective because it is not supposed to be objective. It is an ad and they are trying to sell a product. Voices. Bringing voices to the story means delivering the people's voices to the audience and letting them tell their part of the story. The Mr. Clean ad did not include any people's voices except the wife's. Authenticity. Authenticity is the unvarnished truth of the physical reality that you observe and experience. The Mr. Clean ad was authentic in the fact that it was true to its type as a cheesy commercial. Proportionality. Proportionality is responsibly representing the story, issue, or audience based on well-researched observation of the lay of the land. The ad does contain some proportionality. They were targeting a male audience, and they did their best to try to connect with them. Conclusion. I do not think that the Mr. Clean ad is excellent journalism. Most ads aren't. It did not contain complexity or voices. They did a horrible job avoiding stereotypes. Who's to say that Mr. Clean will turn a woman on? We all have different tastes. Women seeing it may resent the idea of having to reward a man with sex just for cleaning up.